Hello, this is Bobby at Comparative Repair with a video today that's going to be probably a two-part video made for Stan Electronics after we repaired the main board for them, and apparently it worked for a while because this is in September, and the TV stopped working and we advised them to send the tcon board now. We already tested that. Those are the two boards, and I just started again the TV because my guy who tested it disconnected the the main and brought it, but I just reconnected it and it just started flashing. I wanted to show how it's flashing to know that it is initializing. This is the tcon board that was sent to us. It is connected. This cable is plugged in and even. And this cable is plugged in and even, and this cable is plugged in, and those cables are plugged in. And I'm gonna press the button here and see how the front LED changes from dark to light. There should be backlight coming up at least, or maybe it's just bright enough. Backlight may not necessarily come up if this is bad. Usually it does. But one good way to know is if you have a working TV, if you disconnect that, you will find out that backlight does not come up. It is still standing white. If I'm correct though, and if it doesn't get to the point of initializing properly, then it should also eventually shut off. I don't remember if I've seen it do that, but I believe just from the handshake protocol that it goes through, it should be shutting down after it tries for so long to establish connection between the main board and the tcon. And this is how the 3D models are that are based on this PCB. I am still waiting here, and there is still no backlight. Let me see if I can. Well, I don't know if I can turn it off actually. It's not going to be that easy. Trying to turn it off. We can save the initialization process afterwards if that is the case. No, I pressed it and released it, but it's still hung up on that Vizio. So, oh, there you go. I think it shut off by itself. If it doesn't start blinking. Alright, no, it did start. So what happened there is it tried to run, it tried to start, but because the main board could not, I'm stopping the power here and turning it off. Because the main board failed to communicate with the tcon, it hung there on the white LED. It didn't come to the point of starting the backlight even. And while not 100% conclusion, this is a fairly good indication of a bad tcon. Unfortunately, the main board can fail in the same way. This is our own tcon here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to attach the data cable, and I'm going to start the main board to work by connecting that power here, and let's go and check how the front LED will start blinking. There you go. And while it is initializing, I can finish connecting our own tcon because there is no risk of this going bad. The top strip cable. Sorry for the bad focus. I gotta get a camera with autofocus. Okay, this is in. Now this. There you go. Now this. Alright. done flashing, so let me start the TV. Pressing the button here. There you go. White logo. And the video sign. And this is how we know that this tcon is bad. We will proceed repairing it, and if we are successful, we will make a second part of the video that shows the board working again. For now, I'm going to just pause.